Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever struggled with changing the color of an SVG icon in Webflow, you're not alone. It can be surprisingly tricky if you're used to the simplicity of editing normal images. But by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your SVG icon's color so it matches your site's design perfectly, all without needing to mess with external design files. Let's dive right in, step by step. First, we're going to start off in Figma. If you have your icon design or button in Figma, that's perfect. You'll want to locate it there because Figma makes it super easy to access the SVG code we need. Just select the button or the icon you want to use, right-click on it, and choose Copy as SVG. What this does is grab not just the image, but all the underlying SVG code, almost like copying the recipe, not just the finished cake. This part is crucial because we need to work with the source code to change its color in Webflow. Now switch over to your Webflow project. To bring the SVG into Webflow, we don't just upload it as an image. Instead, we embed the SVG code directly onto the page. To do this, find the spot where you want your icon or button and drag in an embed element from the Add menu. Think of the embed element as a special box that lets you add custom code, which in our case is the SVG code we just copied. Once the embed is there, simply click inside it and paste the SVG code from Figma. Hit Save and Close. At this point, your icon should show up on your page, but it may not have the color you want just yet. Don't worry, customizing it is where the magic happens. Next, we need to decide on the new color for your icon. Here's a helpful workflow. Double-click the button or icon to select it and look at your style panel in Webflow. This is where you can experiment with different colors. Go down to typography, then to the color option. Even though this is technically for text, it's a great way to preview different colors because you can use the color picker to see what fits your style best. When you found a color you love, make sure to copy its hex code. That's the 6-digit code that looks something like 4A90E2. Think of this as grabbing the perfect shade of paint from your palette. Now let's bring it all together. Double-click your embed element to open up the code again. Inside the SVG code, look for the word fill. This is what controls the color of your icon parts. Right beside fill, you'll see a color value. It might be a name, a hex code, or something else. Paste your new hex code here, replacing the previous value. This tells the web browser to render your SVG icon in your chosen color exactly how you want it. Save the changes and close the embed editor. You should see your icon update instantly. And that's it, you've just changed your SVG icon's color in Webflow, going straight from Figma to a custom-colored element on your website. It might feel a bit technical at first, but with a few tries, you'll breeze right through it. If a step didn't work or you want to experiment with different icons and colors, don't stress, it's totally normal to need a couple of passes. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or want me to cover similar topics, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Webflow and design tutorials. See you in the next one.